Hello there again, thanks for joining me again. This is going to be a relatively short one. I want to address people who will come out and say, you are wrong. And when you try and dissect why they think you're wrong, they kind of jump back into the woodwork and don't want the conversation. This is hugely, hugely frustrating. Let's be really, really clear. If you tell me I am wrong on the subject, and I have no problem with you doing that, by the way, if I am wrong, I want to know that I'm wrong. But if you tell me I am wrong on a particular subject, don't then complain that I start pushing you to dissect why you think I am wrong. That is perfectly reasonable. So don't just sit there and tell me I'm wrong, and then when I say, well, why am I wrong? Just scurry off and hide in your little hidey hole, because that is really, really annoying. Really annoying. Don't do it, you naughty people. Told you it was a short one. I will see you all again very soon.